Are you looking to get stronger and healthier? The CDC recommends muscle strengthening activity at least 2 days a week, but where do you begin? I have 4 great tips for you. Tip number 1, know basic exercise terms. Before you start, know some common exercise terms. This knowledge will help you communicate with your personal trainers and/or follow exercise videos better. Repetition, or rep, is a single complete movement of a particular exercise. For example, 1 bicep curl or 1 squat. A set is a group of consecutive repetitions of an exercise with a planned amount of rest in between. For example, if you plan to do 3 sets of 10 reps with a 30-second rest periods in between, you would start by performing biceps curls for 10 reps, then rest for 30 seconds. After the 30-second rest period, you would perform another set of biceps curls for 10 reps, followed by another 30-second rest, and finally, you would perform the last set of biceps curls for 10 reps, and then rest for another 30 seconds. Concentric movement is the contraction phase of a movement, where the muscle shortens under tension. Eccentric movement is the stretching phase of a movement, where the muscles lengthen under tension. Both movement patterns are important for muscle development. Tip number 2, make sure your form is correct. Performing exercises with poor technique can cause injuries and affect your posture. Hire a certified personal trainer or watch follow-along exercise videos to ensure your form is correct. Always prioritize safety by modifying the workout if needed. Tip number 3, increase intensity gradually. Begin with your body weight or lighter weights, then gradually increase the intensity by adding weights, frequency, or number of repetitions. This approach, known as progressive overload, helps ensure consistent progress and adaptation over time, while minimizing the risk of injury. Tip number 4, stretch, rest, and recover. Stretch before and after exercises to prevent muscle injuries. Prioritize rest and recovery for optimal results. Remember, muscles grow and repair themselves during rest. Muscle strengthening activities comes with many benefits, including increased metabolism, better posture, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Use these tips to safely progress and get stronger. Remember, health is wealth and consistency is key. This is Yuan with iHealth Unified Care. Good luck on your fitness journey.
I hope you liked this video. Go ahead and scroll through our website or our Unified Care app for more information about chronic conditions, vitals monitoring, and general nutrition and wellness. See you again soon.